As you can see, my WordPress website restoring process completed. And then I'm going to my WordPress site, and now I'm going to reloading my site. And as you can see, my WordPress site has been successfully restored. Hi, this how to 1 minute will show you how to create backup and restore your WordPress website. So now I'll show you how to easily backup and restore WordPress website using a trusted plugin. So now we will create backup using Blog Vault plugins and follow these easy steps to learn how to create backup and restore your sites using these Blog Vault plugins. So first of all, go to your browser and search for Blog Vault and open this first website, blogvault.net, and you will directly jump into the official website for Blog Vault. So the Blog Vault backups plugin are reliable because they have all the hallmarks of a good backup. Their backups your full WordPress website stored offsite in encrypted form that you can quickly restore completely or partially as and when required. Recover your WordPress website within minutes from the worst disaster that may strike your WordPress website. Now, once you are here, just click on sign up. And note one thing, that this is a free plugin. We don't need to pay for use this plugin. And now we have to create a account here. You can use your email address and create a password here and just click on sign up to create a brand new account. Or you can easily create an account with your Google account. Once your account successfully created, now you have to verify your account email address. Go to your Gmail and you will get a verification mail. Through the mail, you will be able to easily verify your email address. Okay, once done, here we have to add our WordPress website first. So go to your WordPress site and all you have to need, copy your site link or URL, and you have to paste your site link or URL in this box and click on continue. And now you have to install the Blog Vault plugin in your WordPress website. And here you will get two different options to add plugin. One is auto install plugin. In this case, you have to enter here your WordPress admin username and admin password and click on submit to install the plugin. Or you can manually install the plugin. In this case, just click on download to download the Blog Vault plugin on your computer. Once it's downloaded, now go to your WordPress dashboard and just come to this plugin section and click on add new plugin and click on upload plugin. Choose file and go to download folder. Here you will find Blog Vault plugin zip file. Just select the file, open, install now, and click on activate plugin. Once you successfully activated the plugin, you will jump into this dashboard. Here, click on sites, and here you will find your WordPress website. And now to backup your WordPress website, all you have to need, just click on backup. And now to backup your WordPress site, just click on backup now. And you can add a note or message for the specific backup. Now all you have to need, just click on OK. And as you can see, the backup is in progress. It may take some time to backup your WordPress site. It depends on your internet speed and on your WordPress website size. And here we can see my backup file is ready. Now here we can see my backup file size, and here we can see last sync time. And if you have multiple backups files and you want to see all of your WordPress backups here, then all you have to need, scroll down and here click on show all backups, and here you will find your WordPress backup list. So this is my first backup, and this is my second backup, and this is third backup. And now you can migrate from here. You can upload your backup file in your Dropbox by clicking on upload. And now to download the backup file, just click on download and select files to download. You can select download files, all files, download tables, all tables, then click on continue. It may take some time to download your backup files. And here we can see this backup ready to download. Just clicking on download. And as you can see, my backup file is downloading. And here, as you can see, my WordPress website backup has been successfully downloaded in my computer. And this is how we can backup our WordPress site using Block Vault plugin. And here's how to restore your site. Now, I'm going to delete my WordPress website, and then I will show you how to restore your WordPress website through the backups in Block Vault. So as you can see, currently this is my WordPress website. I'm going to my dashboard and simply clicking on appearance themes. And now let's select a different theme first, or you can just delete your whole website. So here's, now I'm reloading my site after changing my site theme, and as you can see, my site has been successfully changed. And now I will back up my WordPress website. To do that, all you have to need, go to your Block Vault dashboard and click on settings, sites, and here click on backup and click on restore site. And here backup version, to change your backup version, just click on change, and here you will find the list of all your backups. Now select the backup file, which backup you want to restore. Click on confirm and just click on continue. And here we can see site restoring is started. As you can see, my WordPress website restoring process completed. And then I'm going to my WordPress site, and now I'm going to reloading my site. And as you can see, my WordPress site has been successfully restored. So this is how we can easily backup and restore our WordPress website using Block Vault plugin. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.